Daily use English words with meaning and examples. Tenant. A tenant is a person who rents a house, flat, or room from someone else. The flat is empty. We are looking for a tenant. The tenant wants to stay for 1 more year. Colossal. Very big or huge in size, amount, or importance. That building is colossal. It's the tallest in the city. He made a colossal mistake at work. They built a colossal bridge across the river. Outing. A short trip or a fun visit to a place for enjoyment. We went on a family outing to the zoo. She posted pictures from her outing on Instagram. Trample. To step heavily on something or someone, often damaging or hurting it. Don't run there. You will trample the flowers. He trampled on my foot by accident. He trampled the ants without noticing. Damp. Slightly wet or a little moist. Please wipe the table. It's a bit damp. Please wipe the table. It's a bit damp. Don't sit on the bench. It's damp. Don't sit on the bench. It's damp. Pound. To hit or beat something heavily or repeatedly. He pounded the door because no one was opening it. He is pounding the nail into the wall. My heart is pounding really fast. Perhaps. Maybe or possibly, it is used when you are not sure about something. I am not sure. Perhaps he is still sleeping. He didn't come to school. Perhaps he is sick. Stagger. To walk or move unsteadily, usually because you are tired, sick, drunk, or shocked. The drunk man was staggering on the street. The old man staggered and almost fell. Repent. To feel very sorry for something wrong or bad you did and to wish you had not done it. Don't make mistakes you will repent later. You should repent if you did something wrong. Isolated. Alone, separated, or away from others. He felt isolated after moving to a new city. She lives in an isolated house in the mountains. Unveil. To show or reveal something for the first time. They unveiled a new statue in the park. The company unveiled a new phone yesterday. Debris. Broken or leftover pieces of something after it is broken, destroyed, or fallen down. After the earthquake, the streets were full of debris. The workers cleaned up the debris from the road. Agony. Extreme pain, either physical or emotional. He screamed in agony when he got hurt. The patient was screaming in agony in the hospital. She was in emotional agony after the breakup. Subscribe, comment, like, and share.